Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Carplay and Android Auto. On this device, Android 8.0 Oreo system from Mercedes-Benz W211. Okay, let me check the settings. You can choose time, you can choose logo, and adjust the SIM color on this panel. Okay, and you can choose the setting, change the button color with green, blue, yellow. Okay, let me choose the let me check the setting. You can check about machine PX5 process octa-core RAM 4GB. It's the Oreo system. Okay, let me back home. The home button. Okay, let me introduce Carplay. This adapter for Carplay. Okay, there is the user manual. You can check the user manual. This is iPhone, Android Auto. Okay. This is adapter. You can check USB connect your phone. This USB connect our head unit. This head unit have 4 USB on back of them. This auto USB adapter plug and play. Okay. This USB driver, let me install the AutoKit application. Okay. Choose the AutoKit. Click install. And this is USB. Let me introduce the Android Auto at first. Okay, app installed. You can open it below. Okay, it's plug and play. Okay, let me connect the USB AutoKit adapter. On back of head unit, there are 4 USB. Okay, this is my Galaxy. Please click OK. Open the AutoKit when USB device is connected. Okay. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8. Let me check the settings. About phone, you can check Galaxy S8 Plus and the soft information. Android Oreo system. Okay, let me introduce the USB. This original USB comes with Galaxy. Okay, this USB connector connects this dongle on back of head unit. Okay, connect Galaxy USB. Okay, it's show connected Android Auto. Okay, let me disconnect. You have to connect the Android Auto from your phone. Okay, when you connect, it will show the Android Auto plug and play. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8. Check back. Okay, here is you can choose the navigation, built-in Google Maps or Waze. The navigation, phone call. Bluetooth is not connected. You need to connect the Bluetooth from your phone. Music. Let's play music. There is no sound because I do not connect the small speaker. You can choose this Pandora, Spotify. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is Android Auto. Let me introduce Carplay. Okay, this is iPhone XS. Okay, you can check it's iPhone. You can let me check the. You need to check the setting. Then there is Siri. You need to open the Siri. You have to turn on console. Turn on the Siri. Okay, and let me check the general. Soft. Soft up. Let me check about. Sorry, what? This is iOS 12 version. Okay, let me check connect it. This USB from Apple. Master USB from Apple. Okay. Okay, connect the USB. It show connecting. Okay, it's Carplay. This home. You have phone call. You need to connect the Wi-Fi. It's music. It's map. Okay. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, apps. This is AutoKit apps from us. Okay, you can contact us. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Now we back to home. You also can choose the Mercedes-Benz logo. Now we find it. Mercedes. Back to home. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.